naman na pastel. Ay, wow. Ay, hindi siya silicone. It's not a silicone. Plastic. Maray. Like a plastic. Also this one. Bali yan. In-order yung dito kasi. Ano? More, we have free. More, this one is free. Look.
No, I paid.
Ah, okay. Dami ng bios to. Wow. You can try. Try natin. Ito tatlo pala yung order niya. Mumurahin nga lang. Open. And 3. Ito yung order ng aking work. Finally, nabuksan ko na rin siya, guys. At itry natin tong ilaw. In order yan, guys. Yan. Tapos tatlong ganyan, guys. So, try natin to, guys, dito. Wow, ganda. Gusto mo off? Off. And on. So, ayan. Tinesting natin, guys. Maraming ilaw. We can try for the boom boom.
Yes,
So, yun lang aking vlog for today's mommy, guys. Yung parcel.